So welcome to the last section of this tutorial. I will study about arrays. So what is an array? Array is an ordered list of elements that can be of any type. Okay. So how it is defined? So you can just place the elements into a square bracket and it will become an array in Ruby. Okay. So you can store this array in a variable known as array, or anything for that matter. So we have certain functions like dot first, dot last, which will actually print the first element of the array or the last element of the array. If you want to find the third element, we'll write the array name followed by the index number in the square bracket. So what it will do is it will print the element present at fourth number, because index in Ruby starts at 0 as well. So if you want to print the third number, you have to write array 2. Okay. So modifying arrays. So how do you modify arrays? So array.pop. What will happen is that it will pop the last element of the array. So now the size of the array will be just 3. Okay. Array.push will add anything to the last in the array. So it will add this another string in the array. Okay. Or we can also do it like array followed by this shovel operator, which we use in cout as well. You must be familiar with this operator, cout. Okay. This is known as shovel operator. So this will do the same job as the push method. So the map and these all you can leave for time being, not really important. So we have got this method delete at. So it will delete the value at the index whichever you have specified. In this case it is 1, so it will delete the value at index 1. So, or you can, like, this is also another way to delete instances. Like you have this cat, dog, bird, cat, snake. You have to delete cat. So you can write array name followed by dot delete method and pass the argument which would be the element of the array that you want to delete, and it will get deleted. Okay. So there's another method known as unique, uniq. Okay, not the full spelling, uniq. So what this uniq will do is print all the unique values of the array. So for example 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. So b dot unique will print 1 2 3 and 4. So yeah, it's very easy, isn't it? So yeah, that's it. If we have this bang operator, what it will do is it will delete all the repeated elements. So we'll just have 1 2 3 4. All the second time when it has been repeated, it will be deleted because of this exclamation mark. So how do you iterate over an array? So you can iterate over an array using the dot select function. So this dot select method will say, suppose you want to select all the numbers that are greater than 4. So select all the numbers when the number is greater than 4. Okay. So this will print 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. It won't change the array, the original array. It will just select the numbers which are greater than 4 and print it. So this we already studied. So bang operator, it will change the array permanently. It will delete the things. Okay, mutating, you can skip the concept, not really important as far as the core Ruby is concerned. Nested array. So you can have a nested array in the sense that you have this array which is again in this array. Like you have multiple arrays in one single array known as teams. Okay. So teams 1 will print Frank and Molly. Team 0 will print Joe and Steve. Okay. So you can compare arrays. How? Just by using the equality operator. So So if you compare A and B, it will of course return false because 1 2 3 2 3 4. So this is false. Okay, so if we have this pop method, so it will pop 4, so you'll just have 2 comma 3 and b dot unshift 1. So what it will do is it will put 1 at the first location or in the beginning of the array. So now b is 1 2 3, a is 1 2 3, and when you check for the equality, it will show true. Okay, so unshift method is the opposite of the pop method. Pop method deletes the element from the end, unshift methods add the element at the beginning. Okay, 2 underscore s method actually converts the array into a string. So it's as easy as this is string interpolation, which we have studied earlier. So pound sign curly brackets a, so it won't print a, it will print the content of a. Okay, so how it is printing the so this is 2 underscore s method. Okay, so this thing is calling the 2 underscore s method, which is converting this array into a string. So common array methods, we have include question mark, so it will see if a value is present in the array or not. A dot include question mark 3, so 3, since 3 is present, it returns true. A dot include 6 is not present, so it will return false. So what flatten will do is flatten will convert the nested array into a 1D array. It will just, like, you have this nested array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 5 is an array, and 6 comma 7 is an array in the whole, as the whole, the array is stored in A. So a dot flatten will remove that nested array and it will convert it into a simple 1D array. Okay, so each index method iterates through the array. So a dot each index I, so for every I, so puts, this is index string interpolation I. Okay, so this is index 0, this is index 1, so it will iterate through all the elements of the array. So there's another method which is each with index. This is similar to as writing the serial numbers in a list. Okay, so you have got you'll print val and idx. How? You'll put idx plus 1 in the val. So why plus 1? Because index starts with 0, therefore plus 1, and the value of the index, so 1 dot 1, like this. Okay, so dot is because of this dot here. So this is similar to like having a serial number for a list of elements. So next method we have is sort. So sort method, you know what it will do, it will sort the list in ascending order. Then we have something known as product. So it's a method which can combine two arrays in an interesting way. So it's very similar to like okay, let's see the example. This array 1 comma 2 comma 3 dot product 4 comma 5. So the output will be 1 comma 4 1 comma 5, 2 comma 4 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4 3 comma 5. Okay, so yeah, this section you can leave. And finally the exercise. So below we have given you an array and a number. Write a program to check if the number appears in the array. So we have already seen this program above. I won't tell you, you can rewind the video and check again. So this is a very simple program. So Ruby is actually very simple. So what will be the value of a comma b comma c in the following program? String equal to welcome to America. So a equal to string 6, b equal to string 11, c equal to string 19. So of course a will be equal to ey 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So e. B will be a, it is index number 11, a. C will be nil because the entire string is there's no 19th index in this string. This is not a long enough string. Okay, so that was the final section of this course, which is array. Okay, so I hope you got a basic idea of what ruby is. Okay, so yeah, we'll close off in the final video.